Is Ted Mann, and I am the founder and CEO of SnipSnap. I have a problem. Coupons. Now, don't get me wrong, I love coupons. I love getting them, I love saving. I get them in the mail, in the newspaper, in a variety of formats. And as a father of two, and as an unsalaried startup CEO, I need them now more than ever. But they are a huge pain in the ass to keep track of. We call it, in my house, call this the bowl of shame, because every time you walk by, you have a little twinge of guilt for all the coupons that are going unredeemed, that are expiring every day. I began to wonder about a year ago. I think it was after one of those times when I came back from Babies R Us, and my wife, instead of thanking me for going out to pick up the diapers, said, "You forgot the $5 off coupon. How could you do that?" I began to wonder, what if I could always have my coupons on me when I need them? I began to wonder, what if I could have them on my phone? I always have my phone on me. Would that work? At about this point in the presentation, I would start talking to you about the market size of coupons and what differentiates us from competitors. But for the purposes of this demo, I wanted to do something a little bit different. Right? I'm not going to give you the investor pitch. I want to give you a little bit of the story of how SnipSnap came to be. I always find the backstory to startups as interesting as sometimes the startups themselves. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of how I took that back in the napkin idea and turned it into the business that I am about to demo for you in a little bit. First, I wanted to test this concept. So about a year ago, I was working for a newspaper company called Gannett. And I was interested in mobile coupons. We were working on some things there. And I started going out and just taking pictures of coupons using Evernote. So this is kind of what the initial SnipSnap looked like, the poor man's SnipSnap. And I began going out to stores and testing it, and lo and behold, it worked most of the time. And even more telling, people would come up to me in line and say, "What's that app? I got to get that. I need that." And so I began to wonder, maybe there's a business here. Maybe there's a really great idea. Began prototyping it last summer using a piece of software called Kinetopia. This is a really great tool for anybody in the audience looking to prototype something. What was great about it for me was that it created a clickable PDF that I could actually demo on an iPhone. It was so persuasive, actually, that the initial developers I worked with, when they first saw it, they didn't even realize it wasn't an app. They thought it was a working app. It was just a clickable PDF. It was also what we used, along with this beautiful logo, to apply to Dream Adventures, an accelerator program right here in University City that we got into. And that's what got us to working on our beta version. So we began building the beta version last fall while we were dreaming. We launched it on Black Friday. It was just sort of ironic timing, but very appropriate, to 35 users. So it was a small sample, but we learned a ton from those beta users. First of all, we learned that they loved using the app. They loved taking pictures of coupons and redeeming them off their phone that way. Our users were clipping an average of 16 coupons per week. A bunch of them also reported that they made it a home screen app, which made us very happy. During that beta, they also reported that it was really buggy and hard to use and crashed all the time. And that made us sad. So we began, I realized that we needed to do a number of things to fix this. First and foremost, we needed a really kick-ass team. So I recruited, first and foremost, one of the best designers I've ever met, and worked with Kyle Martin, who's somewhere in the audience there. Kyle designed the iPhone and iPad apps for QVC. An amazing designer. Obviously, with iPhone, you need the best quality designs possible, but even more so, you need a developer that can actually implement them into a beautiful working app. And not only that, but can tackle the really challenging technological problems of taking a picture of a coupon and actually translating that into data that you can put into a database. And so Costas has been tackling that. And, remote freeze. I originally had a product demo video, but so many of the people Rohan included said, "You've got to demo the actual thing off the phone." So I've never done this before, so give me a second to load the sucker up. But I'm going to attempt to demo the SnipSnap app for you right now off of this phone. All right. When you get into the app, can you hear me okay? When you get into the app, you're going to see this. This is like essentially your virtual coupon wallet. Now, this is somebody who's been using SnipSnap. They've already snipped a bunch of coupons. You can see some of the basic information in here. The little flags that you see look like little Post-its. That's the success rating that we report for that store. So, for instance, Bed Bath & Beyond has a 76% success rating. I've never had trouble there, but this is sort of, we're aggregating the scores across a number of users. But enough talking about this stuff. Let's get down to it and snap a picture of a coupon. So you load up the camera mode, and got too shaky. Now I'm just going to crop it a little bit, and I'm done. Now what we're doing at this point is we're scanning all the text, images, logos, barcode, and basically creating a digital version of that coupon on the fly. We're hoping to make this process as automated and speedy as possible. At the moment, we actually do a few processes in the background that take a few minutes. So while the coupon is being scanned, sitting in that little holding area up top, I'm going to show you some of the other features of the app, and then we'll come back to it in a second. If you tap on the Discover screen here at the bottom, near the bottom right, this is a great place where you can go in the app to see featured retailers, as well as all the coupons that other people have clicked using SnipSnap. So you can go in, browse these coupons, flick through them, and if there's a coupon that you want to add to your library, you can just tap the snippet button, and automatically you've added it now. If you want to share that coupon, you can tap on the share button. You can share it via Facebook, Twitter, email. You can favorite it as well. And I'm going to now I'm just going to go back and see if we're in. Oh, and lo and behold, the coupon I just snipped for Babies R Us is here. So again, you've got the same features here. You can favorite that, you can share it, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how you redeem it. So you got the barcode, the promo code. This is if you're taking it to the store where they actually key in the promo code at the register, that's what they show, or the photo of the coupon. Just tap done. Say, did it work or not? Yep, it worked. And when we have enough ratings for this store, for Babies R Us, we'll aggregate the score. So there you go. That is how SnipSnap works. Let me just, we were going to try,